Okay, this video name I direct this video to Waja and the Jpac. Mana before my gami get on the kono ife Jpac ukuru.
Which state?
Illinois.
No, your branch in America is wonderful. How many years have you been a reverend sister?
Like 32.
32 years.
Yes, Daddy.
You are serving in America.
Yes, Daddy.
Hey! Reverend sister.
Because the intelligent analyzer, when they were I don't mean woman at church and that's the mama was not at church. But I do know when you were so this lady I never got a reverend sister. You own your reverend sister for 32 years. How old is she? There are so many things on my phone. We need to ask. Oh, yeah, I'm a reverend sister for 32 years in Illinois, America. How old is she? Let us do the mathematics. Or 32 months. Or I don't know because I'm talking about 32 years. Although to myself, not from this woman, not from this lady, this reverend sister. I'm on your child, so not 32 years. Mama has skin and I and they are what I need. Yes, only can even go 50 years. But this lady will go 50 years. How old is she when she become reverend sister? Or reverend sister when she was 10 years? After they go good. The age now forget the age to go 40 years. People no reverend sister 32 years. How many years can no with or a monastery? Okay, how many years can no training before you go reverend sister? Even reverend father said another 14 good years before her pass your reverend father. How many years go to primary school? We got primary and secondary. We do go and go when Cable's reverend sister. We able to on and service 32 years. Mechanic analyze, Bruno Joe, Bruno Canisi, go the hair, go to an Amorian girl, or yet the man iPhone, I gave.
Okay. I guess this is also part of Ibu Okanisi. Then Waja no Kwana program this morning, still talking about the same thing. And according to Waja, so now one of the Reverend Fathers, Nde na tackle Zion Ministry back to back. Father Bedike so now the highest critics, more like in top 1 to 5 critics. Zion Ministry in Welu. E ought go now. Father Bedike so now the first set of people who raised that alarm, and along the line he went and after doing investigation on the said Reverend sister, he came up with an analysis based on the investigation. And what did he say? For record purpose, listen.
All right, let us
I guess what he said there, because according to Waja said from 1992 or what? From 1992, I'll be 1996 to 2005, or 32 years or 33 years. Waja, if Father Bedike Kuleba will clear your doubt, because Father Bedike said that this year she will be 33 years as a reverend sister. This year she will be 33 years. Yaka na gwunu na ebu unu na edika siaka. Otru necessary and unu na ekwu ife mmadụ pụta ka ọbịa respond otu unu. Oduka ya ase na onye a na-agba Saga. Ọ na nwufu eziokwu mu mechie ọnụ ka a na-aghọzi ndebe anyị aghụghọ. Ọ dụrụ mma ọ nwufu eziokwu mu mechie ọnụ just like ife a Jpac kwuru kịta. Go on for this thing, mechie ọnụ because no my father or my brother ka ekwuru maka, or because no nwanne m nwoke ka ekwuru maka. Ka ọnụ nke Waja na-ekwu emechikwa m ọnụ when I know the answer to the question they are asking. Get your maka ịnụ ife Father Bedike kwuru.
The issue of the sister seen at Zell Ministry a couple of days ago, and the video has been trending online with people with different opinion. Now, if you've not seen it, watch this video and advise, please. You need to watch this video and watch the last to understand the analysis I have given, the truth of the matter.
Which state? Huh?
Illinois.
No, your branch in America is wonderful. How many years have you been a reverend sister?
Like 32.
Like 32. She said like 32. When last did you visit Nigeria? It's here like 6 years. It may be 7 years. But what you know is that based on your calculation. So, only not 33 years and she said 32 years. What is Keta? Namodo 22 years. Now she made 23 years. Even Mekuwo Namodo 22 years. But I'm a non my 23rd year can no. You got to go. I'm a non my 23rd year can no. But no the month exactly. Or I call 23. So man say when I move to 22 years. So also like 32. Why not in her 33rd year? On a logo exactly the month or balo there. Or bidoro loka. Or you do say not 33 years. You want to go? Some of these things are not necessary. Okay, let's continue.
32 years.
Yes, Daddy.
You are serving in America.
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, Reverend sister. What do you love most about Zion, sister?
It's like my family. That's the only family I have now.
God bless you. I'm going to see you, sister, before you go. Thank you. Thank you, sister.
Alright, I believe you saw that video. Now, because it involves the religious and because I recognized the working habit she's wearing, that habit belongs to Daughters of Divine Love, the book congregation in Nigeria and representing across the world. So I went in to make inquiries and investigations about her, and this is what I came up with. Number one, is she a religious? Yes, she is a sister of divine love. Is she 32 years as a religious? Yes. She did her first profession on 15th October 1992. 1992. She has a very good body and everything. You know, there are people who, even when they are quite older in age, they look younger physically. Yes.
15th October 1992. This is August, September, October. It's still 2 months to make it 13 years. And this
year she will be 33.
This year she will be 33. This is just where I want Waja's question to be answered. This is exactly where I want Waja question to be answered. Waja is arguing, saying for the Bedike na Atoga. What if the Bedike one is share up? Does it mean no recruit to anybody? Only on actually make a destructive comment concerning only one like Honey Huao. Una Koreaka, the moment Onyaho fully eziokukuo, una seen Onyaha na Atoga. One MS never called as no court corona form wafer. You want to go? Now, no go that she will be 33. Now you are arguing now from 1992 to Keta, or from 1992 to Keta, or 32 years, before 33 years. So, did you pay attention to what Father Bedike said? That is the answer. It was 15th of October. Now, in 2 months' time, she will be 33 years. Can you celebrate your 33 years birthday when you are still 32? You know your birth month. And that is exactly when you will celebrate your birthday. Now, for avoidance of doubt, for Jpac that is talking about Ahune, the sister, pay attention again.
Religious. And she has lived in America for years.
She has lived in America for years. Because Jpac is in Nyosha. No, yasine ezioku. Mana moko no wende. Nde mwela odi ahuwa na Lagos ya na Nigeria kanko. Mana East kanko. Go. But Jpac is in Nyosha or this ikoku. Mana, Father Bedike, the lady has lived in America for years. Gente.
She was their regional superior in America, in the entire United States, for more than 12 years.
Yes, she was the regional superior for the mothers of Mesik, also Okuru Akwa, that sister in America, in the whole of America, for almost 13 years. Almost 13 years. So what it shows is that this sister Anagwa, a big America for over 25 years, or maybe over 20 years. So what is there? Now, Apple was something to verifiable, which you can go to Illinois and verify. You can ask any of your references that non-America. You can ask them. It is verifiable. That is the only way you are going to verify if she is a reverend sister or not, or if she has been a reverend sister for 32 years. You want to go?
And I have this to say. She might be going through certain crises. Yes. I'll give kudos to Ebuka Obi.
Actually, played this video too much because they played this video yesterday. Otherwise, I wanted to play the part where Father Bedike was explaining the kind of nature I hold the woman who will, that the woman who will and all that. Now, somebody, Jpac is talking about Mawuno Nyosha. Only big in America for over 20 years. Now, they were those people who with the same body here in Nigeria here. There are a lot of them with the same body in Nigeria here. Only told my dad is 80-something years on anya moto se Lagos na ona ngosi go ogbu efi eba iye kweta na ogbu efi go 80 years iye kweta na ogbu efi go 80 years e got go enwere ike ama ma ebe ya dekwu age edo. Yes, but agwa na nwa izizi na ashu almost 60 years iye kwe agwa na nwa izizi na ashu no 50-something years na ashu 60 years iye kwe e got go. So let us stop all this. Mfo dey fa aketa meshi ono ahonya kama because meshi ono e mislead a lot of people. If we must talk about things, let us talk about relevant things and not irrelevant things. To me, all these things do irrelevant. There is no way it is going to help us. Madugwa no a reverend sister for 32 years. What is there? Now waja you are talking about now from 1992 to get out 33 years. Did you not watch the video? Did you not pay attention when you were watching the video? To hear the date, 15th of October, 1992. In 2 months' time, Father Bedike even said she's in her 33 years. Very soon it will be 33 years. And the sister in question, who like 32 years. Tell me what is the mistake in Odia? Jpac is here talking about the age. Jpac is talking rules of mother not at your age. Enjoy they had to get that. In which case, I had 27 or 28 or 29 or 30. Let us stop all this. Now, I don't think Nonya or Saga. I don't think Nonya or Saga. Because based on the advice, my chairman, one got na live broadcast yesterday, decided that I want to analyze all my activities na Facebook. Come out the part of it, those Sagaic nation. And then because if you do Okwasia, Meshuano, a man owner a party to eat. So I will not see Okwase, Eba na choke mislead you munai, a Meshie mono, why na mana God ye use the moon, where the bunk or that Okwase. A what go? So share this video. Let Jpac come and listen to this video and make a waja. If truly they are constructively criticizing Evangelist Ebuka Obi, then when you see a different fact, you should be able to accept it. Man, all that you are destructively criticizing Ebuka Obi, and when you feel cool about him, it makes sense. If you go do no, if you go do video, he has no ghost here because anything he show either know about him or something do destructive, destructive. You are interested in damaging the image of that person. But that is why in US when I'm more commending for the Bedike, I know what he did that draw easy. Or doing easy the only man as a major critics of Evangelist Ebuka Obi saying something in that form. I did not even expect such from him. You got to go. So let us learn to be criticizing constructively and not destructively. Share this video. On others now show you recruit into fighting your common enemies. It is not good. You got to go. Or when you draw short, nature shop that email mistake. Come out na social media. Email mistake you. That is the only way to clear doubt. Because you have found out the truth, but you will still allow thousands or millions of people to be wandering in ignorance and lies. And non-gu wonye yazaz zanisia because non-gu wonye mislead ha. Dalono.